I was sent this product to review. These are food containers that you can put different items in. There are as 10 to this particular pack. Comes with the lid. It is good for when you're like serving a salad or serving tacos or serving something with lots of parts that some people would like some of and maybe not others of. You can put your, your cheese, your croutons, your toppings of whatever kind, or with tacos, you can put your cheese and your tomatoes and your salsa and whatever you need to put in each individual container so that people can choose what they want. It covers, so if you're outside, you don't have to worry about insects, things like that. If you're inside, then sometimes it's nice to have the cover anyway, just, in case somebody sneezes or something like that, you would want some kind of cover just to protect it. Keep it fresh too. So I really love these. These are great. I highly recommend them.